Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans? And where the heck are the Albans? Well, we're at home and we are making TikTok crafts, things we found on TikTok. So you saw our pool noodle displays, which are kind of a pain in the ass. But today we are making little hat ornaments. Look at how cute these are, and they look really impressive, but they're easy. I was watching Hallmark Christmas movies last night and I was making them. Here's the darker one. So I'll show you what you need and how to make them. First, you're gonna need yarn, whatever kind of yarn you like to use. I'm thinking about going back to Joann Fabrics and getting me some other colors. But we got some yarn. You need a toilet roll or paper towel roll, empty roll, something to wrap your yarn around. Audrey loves yarn, and I've tied them to the chairs, I've tied them everywhere she just wants, and it's Audrey's needy time. She is very needy at this time of the day. You need something to wrap the yarn around. I like this because I can get the scissors in between there to cut, and I'll show you how that's done. And you need cotton balls. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start by wrapping our string around this thing, and just as many times as you feel like you want to.
How many times do you?
I don't count. I just wrap it around a bunch of times. And it's never enough, and I have to do it a second time, so. Which is not a big deal. Okay. So then we wrap that around. And like I said, I like to go in between these little, and this is actually going to be used for another craft, so I might have to go and get another one. Dollar Tree. And we cut the strings. Okay, you're finished. So now we got a bunch of these little strings. Okay? So then we take our toilet paper roll and we cut a slice. Like that.
What, about a quarter of an inch maybe?
Yeah, about that. You can leave it whole, like so, like that.
Mm-hmm.
And now you take your cut pieces of yarn, fold it in half, bring it up, and you make a little knot. So you slip the loose ends into the top.
A little slip knot.
Yeah. Of course, I didn't do it right because I'm on camera. I watched TV doing this all night, and right now I didn't do it right. But of course, it's morning, and my fingers aren't as nimble as they were last night. Okay, so then you got like that. So you do it all the way around. So we got all of our things tied, as you can see. So now what we're going to do is we're going to flip it over like this, and we're going to stuff all of the string into the hole. stuff away. And you're going to kind of want to, where the knot is here, you're going to kind of want to press that like sort of in the hole as well. Just so you don't have a lump. I kind of in the hole. It goes down in the hole.
Old baby Looney Tunes throwback there, huh?
They weren't baby Looney Tunes. They were.
I thought they were baby Looney Tunes.
No, they were
Water
called
go down the hole. Tiny Tunes.
Tiny Tunes. And then when they did the little dog, I can't remember his name. It did flashbacks of him as a baby and flushing things down the toilet. It goes down the hole. All right, so now we got all of our string pushed through the hole.
Oh, you were way out front.
Pushed through the hole.
Uh-huh.
Like that. Like so, like that. Now, we're going to take a cotton ball and we're going to stuff that also in the hole. So now we got that. And we're going to take one of our, I'm going to actually make a longer, take a longer string. Mm-hmm. Give it, Audrey, over here, look at that one. Goodness gracious, this kitty. They said she wasn't going to be friendly. They said that she was too feral. And then you tie it around the top, sort of like a, you know, that far down.
Almost halfway.
Almost halfway. And you squeeze it tight. And then I wrap it around this way. And you squeeze, Audrey, squeeze it tight. And then I wrap it around again this way. And you squeeze it tight, and then you add a little knot. Are you getting it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You add
With Audrey's ear in the way.
All right. Ah!
Stop that.
Here. Audrey. Look. Get it. And we cut off those strings. There you go, Audrey. Take those strings, and now we're gonna trim up. And we have our little hat.
Look at that. Isn't that cute? Well, we're going to put these on our mantle.
Yeah, maybe we'll take some twine, and I'll make a bunch, and we'll string them.
There you go.
But look at how cute that is. And I'm telling you, if I could figure out how to do them, you could figure out how to do them. These are very, very easy, and I like to do them while I'm watching TV, because I always need something to do with my hands when I'm watching TV. So look at how cute.
There it is.
And hopefully you won't have a four-legged helper. But
like Miss Audrey? Yeah, you. We're talking about you.
Maybe that could go on Audrey's head. There you go, Audrey.
There you go.
So there you go. There is your little hat.
Awesome. Good job, Beck.
So if you like what you see, give us a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. You can send stuff to our P.O. box if you'd like. They are, the address will be down below. We always love getting mail, unless it's a bill. Don't send us bills. And We'll see you next time on Where the Heck Are the Albans? Don't forget to keep it safe, keep it sexy. Bye!